This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the device fully off and removing any battery or SIM tray. This prevents shorts. Next, unscrew exterior screws and use a plastic spudger to lift the back carefully so you don't crack clips. Once open, expose the USB-C area, clean crumbs and lint with a soft brush and 0.5 cotton swab. You do this because debris often causes looseness. As you go, keep screws organized so reassembly is quick and error-free. Now diagnose the root cause: wobble from broken solder joints versus a worn mechanical cradle. If solder pads are cracked, carefully reflow with a fine 0.5 mm tip soldering iron and add a small amount of fresh solder. This restores electrical and mechanical strength. If the metal shell shifts, reposition or tighten the retaining bracket. For tiny gaps, insert a thin shim or apply a controlled bead of UV curable adhesive. Once repairs are secure, reassemble the device carefully and replace screws in the same pattern. Snug them to manufacturer-like feel so you don't stress plastic. Power on and run functional tests. Plug a known good cable and charger, check charging current, and wiggle the plug gently to confirm stability and data transfer. If you still see intermittent connection or PD negotiation fails, remove the port and replace it entirely, or seek professional repair. This step prevents repeated failures and protects internal circuitry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.